Hey guys, this is Taylor here, and today we are solving this interesting problem, which is minimum time to activate string. So let's quickly read the problem. So you are given a string s of length n and an integer array order, where order is a permutation of the numbers in the range 0 to n minus 1. Okay, starting from t time t equal to 0. Replace the character at index order of t in s with a star at each time step. Substring is valid if it contains at least one star. String is active if the total number of valid substring is greater than or equal to k. Return the minimum time at which the this string s becomes active. If it is impossible, return answer. So let's quickly see what is given to us. So we have given one string s and we have given some order time. What does this order time represent? That is very important. So this represent basically this order represent at index 0 at time 0. Okay, this is basically time. So at time 0 we have to make the first index a star. So we have to make this first index a star. Let me make. So a star c. Okay, at time equal to 1 I need to make 0. So time equal to 0. This is time 0. At time equal to 1, I need to make 0th index as a star. Super. Let me make time equal to 1. At time equal to 2, I need to make second index. Okay, let me make. So this is basically the problem given to us. And what we need to find, we have given some k. Okay, in this case, I think k is equal to 2. Okay, so k is equal to 2 in this case, and I need to find basically substrings. Okay, so what are the substrings of this string? Let's try to calculate. So a star c, I think a is one substring, star is one substring, c is one substring, then a star, then star c, then a star c. And number of substrings is definitely, we know the formula, right? We all know the formula. So this is the formula to calculate all the number of substrings. So how we calculated substrings for this? So this is one substring, this is another substring. Let me write down. So this is one. Okay. This is another. Then this big one is another. Then we have this small one. Then this. Then we have this whole. So that way we can have one, two, three, four, five, six substrings. Okay. Super. So how many strings? How many substrings contain star? One, 2, 3, 4, and our k is equal to 2, right? So if we use this substring, we can make 4 substrings which contains a star, right? And our k is 2. So our answer which is 4 is greater than equal to k. Then at index 0, at time 0, we can satisfy our answer. So we can return this. So time will be 0. My answer will be 0. So this I can return. I hope the question is very clear to you what we have to do. You can see one more example here. So cat is given to us at at zero time. I need to make the zeroth index a star. So after making zeroth index a star, the substrings that contains a star is, I think this star is single substring, then star 80, then star I think star a and star 80. These are the two substrings. So total three substrings are there which contains star. So my k is 6. So this is not sufficient. Let me move to time equal to 1. In time equal to 1, I need to make the second index, basically this t. So this t is also a star. Now I will calculate all the substrings. So there are total 5 substrings. Still the answer is not satisfied. Now I will try to make the time equal to 2. I will try to make the first substring, I mean first character as a star. So all substrings contain star, and all substring of this cat will be, I think, 6. So my answer will be satisfying in this case. So I hope question is clear to you, and let's try to see how we can solve this. Okay, so to understand this problem, we will be understanding this part. If we understand this part, then our 80% logic will be cleared and we will be able to solve this problem very easily. Okay, so what I'm considering this, so this is some my string, okay, and two operation was already applied. So this operation and this operation I have already applied, and I have made them star, and I have incremented my count as well, like how many substrings were getting generated from this and this. I have added here. Okay, I have added in this count. So let's say there is some count variable which contains some value. Okay, superb. Now I need to, like, at a time, I'm in current situation, and this is hyphen, or like this is empty only. Okay. Now in the current situation, what I'm doing, like my time came and it's telling me that on the time on the index 5 you need to make it a star. Okay. So I will make it. So I have made this thing star. Now what I need to calculate? I need to calculate all of the substrings which are going from this star. Okay, all of the substrings which are going from this star, that will be my answer, right? But there is one thing that I need to observe. What is this? Basically, there are some substrings which is generated by this, and this was also the part. Okay, so let's say this substring. Okay, when I was calculating for this, now one substring I calculated like this. Okay, this is the one substring. Another substring, I think for this, I calculated, which is basically this. Is this fine or not? Yes, it is. So, like this substring and this substring, and there are a lot of many substrings which I have already calculated in this star. So, will I calculate it in, will I calculate in this? No, I need to avoid that substrings. So, similarly, for this example, let's say for this star, I have calculated one substring like this, another maybe substring like this, or maybe there can be lot of substrings. So do I need to include those substrings count in this substring? While calculating this, I need to exclude those, right? So how I will be excluding? Let's see. So if we do a common observation, if you don't understand till now 100%, give me a minute. Just listen properly what I am telling here. Then we will see example. Everything will become very clear. Okay. So just listen properly what I am saying currently. So I would consider one thing. So while calculating this, okay, while calculating for this, I would be considering this as my effective area. Okay. This will be my only effective area for calculating this, and I am trusting this star that all of the substrings coming from here will be calculated by this, and all of the substrings coming from here, coming from this side, will be calculated by this star. Okay, so this is my assumption. We will see how we will prove that, okay. So let me again repeat myself. So what I am saying, so I am calculating for this will be my effective area. Okay, this is my effective area, and I will be only calculating substrings which are coming from only this part, only this indexes from 3 to 7, and I'm trusting this star that it will tell me all the substrings from this side, and how not basically tell, but basically all the substring that are coming from this star from this side is already calculated by this star. Okay, and all of the substrings that are coming from this side is already calculated by this star. This is my assumption. Okay, now we will just focus on calculating substrings in this part. Okay, in this part we'll try to calculate. Then we'll see that how this star and this star is helping us. Okay, so just to calculate substrings in this part, what formula I can use? So let me write the formula. So its index is 5, right? Its index is 5. So I would, can I name it something like current star? Okay, current star is basically index of this star. So my formula can be current star minus left star, okay, left star into right star, which is basically index of this, right star minus current star. So this will be my formula if we try to find out how this formula comes. So if I'm calculating this current star minus left star, which is basically this part. So all the substrings from this part can be multiplied by all the substrings from this part, and all the substrings that are generated will be the total substrings effective in this area. Okay, so let's see one example also. You can skip if you understood. So let me give an example. So let's say A, B, C, D and E. So this C is, let's say, star. Okay, this is star, fifth star, and we have three elements here. This is a star, this is a star, three elements here. So I just need to worry about this A, B, C, D. Okay, for now, and this C is a star. So how many substrings we can calculate? Let's try to find out quickly. So here I have calculated all the substrings which are coming from this. Okay, this ABCD can generate this much substrings, but if you carefully see how many of them contain C, so I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's telling me that 9 substrings are there which include C. Okay. Now let's try to calculate with this formula whether this is correct or not. So current star is 5 minus left star is 2. Okay. Into right star is at 8 minus 5. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is 3 into 8 minus 5 is 3, which gives me 9. So I think my answer is 9, and both are same. That means this formula is correctly able to give me correct answer. So that's why. So we will see how this logic is working, like this left side part and right side part, how we are avoiding this extra calculation. But I hope till now it's clear, right? So why we are calculating this effective area, and this is the formula basically to get only the substrings generated in the effective area. I hope that part is very clear to you. Okay, let's jump to the part where why this and this we are excluding. Okay, so here I have bring one another example. This is not similar to this. Okay, please don't get confused. This example contains some three elements here and three elements here, two elements here and two elements here. But this example is little different. So here I have ABCD where this was made star previously. This was also made star previously, and this star I am currently making. Okay, so I hope you got it. So let's calculate how many stars, how many basically how many strings, substrings containing this C. Okay, this C. So we can clearly see that we have 9. We have calculated right previously. I think this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is the 9 substrings that is giving me C in its substring. Okay, so I will keep that in mind. Okay, now let's try to calculate all the substrings which are coming from A and which include C as well. Okay, so I think ABC can be the one, ABC, and another can be ABCD, then ABCDE. I think this is the substring that contains are there any? No, I don't think so. Super. Now let me calculate how many substrings that are coming from E. Okay, now I think one can be ABCDE, then BCDE, then CDE. Okay, so here I am having three substrings which contains C and E. Here I contain three substrings which contains A and C. Okay, now is my effective area for this. What is my effective area for this? I think we saw here, right? So we will just be working in the effective area of this, like after this. Okay, so let me do same thing here. So my effective area is here, and I will be trying to calculate the answer. So according to my this blue ink formula, according to this formula, let me write down. So 2 minus 0 into 4 minus 2. I think this is my formula. So it's giving me 2 into 2, which is basically 4. It's telling me that okay, you only have 4 substrings which can only contains this. So this will not interfere, this will not interfere. Okay. So totally we have 9 substrings include for this C. Let's try to find out how we can eliminate this. So let me write down. Okay, so I think I can eliminate this because this contains a yes, I can eliminate this, I can eliminate this I can eliminate. Okay, now let's see all the C's. So I think this I can use, definitely yes I can use. Okay, I think BC can be used, yes it can be used. CD can be used, yes, because it doesn't contain it, it doesn't contain it. Okay, I think ABC can I use? No. BCD can I use? Yes, I can use. CD? No. ABCD? No, it contains A. ABCD? No, it contains C. This contains A and E both, so I can't use it. Okay, and this is ABCD, just ABCD. Okay, so we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 4, and with formula also I was getting 4 answer. That's why I hope you got it with this diagram why we are calculating substring in this effective area. I hope you got it right. So if you still are not 100% sure, I will tell you, just pick one any random case, maybe A B C D E F or A B C D E, this one also, and try to try run itself. If you have any doubt, just let me know in comment section. So if you know this observation, the problem is really easy. So the problem is just about getting to up till this observation. Now you have made the observation that your effective area for this star is only this. Okay. Now I will tell you just two things and you will be able to code it. Okay. So I will be using sorted sets. You know, sorted sets or sorted list, anything like that. Okay. So what I will be doing, my initial configuration of sorted set will be like this. So I will be writing something like this, -1 and n. Okay. Now let's consider one example. Let's say I am having A, B, C. Okay. So this is my string basically, and my times are like this is 1, 0, and 2. Okay. Now in the first at the time equal to 0, time equal to 0, time equal to 1, time equal to in the time equal to 0, I need to make 1 as a star. So I need to make this as a star. I will be placing my 1 here. Okay. Just clearly check. I will be placing my 1 here. Okay. So this is our initial configuration. This is our initial configuration. Now what I need to do, I need to place my 1 here. I need to make my n here like this. On n, in this case, what is n? I think my n is 3. Okay, super. Now I will be applying the same formula and I will be calculating that where is my formula? I think here it is. Okay, this formula I will be using. So so let's see how we'll be applying that formula in this case and we'll be able to find our answer. Okay, so this is the index that I have currently added, the freshly added index. So this is the basically this index, this freshly added index. Okay, I need to find the left star. So left star is telling that my left star is -1. That means I'm not having any left star. Okay, this is the thing. And what is my right star presented? So right star is present as 3. And what is 3? That means no, it's not present right for now. Okay. So let me keep this configuration. Now this is my current string. Okay. So this is basically my this current. So I was using my formula, right? This thing, this current star, right? So this is my current star. So let me write down current star. Okay. Current star is 1 minus left star. What is left star? -1. Okay. Into, I need to go to right star. This is right star minus, this is current star again. Okay, let me bring down how many substrings I can make using this. So 1 plus 1, I think 2, into 3 minus 1 is 2. I think it's giving me 4. Let's try to quickly see whether 4 is correct answer or not. This I have made star. Okay, so what is the first thing that I can make? I think AB is the first string, then B is another string, then BC is another string, and ABC is another string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this answer is pretty correct. Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's try to dry run one more time. Then it will be definitely very clear to you. So I am here. Okay, I need to add at time equal to 1. I need to add 0 as a star. Okay, so let me make this as a star. Okay, I will make it. To make this star, what is the index? It's 0. I will put it in this sorted list. I will put it here. Super. Now, how I will calculate this formula? Let's calculate. It's very easy. So what is current? My current is 0. What is left? Left is minus of -1. My minus, this is formulas minus, this is -1 here as it is. Super. Into, what is the current? 0. What is the right? 1. So 1 minus 0. Okay. So this telling me 1 into 1. So it's telling me that it can give me only one index, which is basically this A itself. Okay, this A itself. Otherwise, all the substrings are covered by this B. Okay. Similarly for C, I think we will get only one string, which is basically C, and that's how we will put 2 here and we'll put the formula and we will be able to get the answer. So I am able to explain you this very interesting problem. So this problem is also based on simulation. I saw that all the three problems in today's Leetcode contest were based on simulation. If you're able to good at simulations, you will be able to solve this problem. And one more important thing I wanted to tell you. So in some of the solutions or some of the videos, they are telling binary search, right? So that binary search is nothing. That binary search is just to make this sorted container. So we need to add. Let's say we were adding this one here. Okay, we need to find its correct position in the sorted list. So to find the correct position of this one in this sorted list, I would be requiring log and time. So log and time is basically binary search. So we can use a sorted set or something sorted set in C++ plus plus or Java or hash tree or something in Java, I think. So we have to just maintain our sorted list, our list as sorted, and then we will be able to easily calculate what is the correct index for the current guy. Then we will able to find the what is the left guy, I think this, and what is the right guy, this. So we said this left guy, current guy, and right guy will be able to give me answer using this formula. I hope I am able to explain you this tough problem. If I am able to, please make sure you subscribe me because this things is taking lot of efforts. Okay, so let's try to write pseudocode for this. I think pseudocode will be very short, crisp, and easy. So what we need to do? We need to maintain some sorted list like this, and my sorted list will initially contain -1 and n, and n is what? Length of my given string. Okay, what I need to do next? I need to iterate over for I in range. Okay, let me write in generalized form. For I equal to 0 to n minus 1, what we need to do? We need to calculate uh, current index. Current index is basically the or in ordered set, in order what is given to us. In order we have given like this, right? So 0 to 1. So what is the current index that I need to make a star? I think that I will be able to extract like this. Okay. Now what is the next thing that I need to do? I need to find the correct index. Like for this order, for this 0, I need to make 0th index star. So I need to put it in sorted list. I will find the correct place for it. So I will let me put it first. Sorted list dot put or add whatever. Let me type add here and current index. Okay, I will put current index in my sorted list. Super. What is the next thing that I need to? I need to find where I kept that 0, where I kept that where so where it is. Okay, so I need to find at what index I kept this. Okay, so that's why I'm able to calculate. I will be able to reach this, and I will be able to reach this. So that's why. So current star index will be sorted list dot. So Python is having some index function, which if I pass the current index, so where I have added, it will quickly tell me. Definitely C++, Java, JavaScript having their own implementation for this. Now what I need to do, I am having this current index. Current index is what? Current index is basically this one is current index. And I know that I'm having this left star index. So I can go here. I'm having this right star index. I can go here. Let me go. And let me apply this formula. Okay. So my answer would be something like, so first of all, current index. So current index in minus sorted list of sorted list of current star -1. Current star, wherever my current star is present, go to the left side. So whatever in the left side, whatever in the left side, you need to go there. Okay, and uh, similarly for the right side, sorted list, go to the right side current star +1 minus this current index. So I hope you are not getting confused in current star and current index. So current index, I'm already know this current index is 1, but I wanted to know what is the left index. Left index I can know using this. So my, like, here I am placing at 1. So 0 will tell me that this is the left part, and 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. I mean this one minus 0, this 1 minus 1 will tell me here is your left part. 1 plus 1 will tell me here is your right part. Okay, I hope I'm able to explain you. So what I need to do, I need to just my count I will keep adding in my answer. My answer I will keep adding in the count. I will check it. If count is greater than equal to k, I can return the time, the t, the I. Okay, I can return I. And if I'm not able to perform any such thing, then I can return -1. So I hope I'm able to explain you this interesting problem and with deep insights why we are doing anything like this, all this thing. Let's quickly write. So we don't need heap or something. So okay, let me quickly write down the code. Length of s, I can maintain my count as 0. And what else I need to, okay, we have a code here, right? The pseudocode sorted list equal to sorted list. So this is the implementation in Python. For C++ and Java, you can uh, follow me along in the code. The code is in comment section. -1 comma n. Okay, so this is my initial configuration. What else I need to do? For I in range n. Now what is the next thing that I need to do? I need to put in sorted list. So first of all, I will find the current index. Current star index equal to, I think, order of order of I. This will tell me, okay, what index I need to make star. Okay, so this is the index that I need to make star. I will be putting that index in my sorted list. So sorted list dot add current star index. Sorted list, please take this. Now tell me index current, uh let me make it current star only. Okay, now current star index equal to sorted list dot index of current star. Okay, so this current star is not, current star is what? This current star is basically the index of this string. Meanwhile, this current star index is what? It's index of sorted list. In sorted list where we are placing that index. Okay, so current star index, please tell me, sorted list, please tell me where you have kept that index, that strings index, because I need to go to the left star and right star. That's why. Okay, so left star position is, I think, sorted list of current star -1, and the right star position is sorted list of +1. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now our answer will look like something like this. So I think my answer would be current star minus left star into right star minus current star. And I will just add that answer in my count, and I will check if count is greater than equal to k, I can return I. That means my task is done, otherwise I can return a -1 here. Okay, let's try to run this and see. Okay, current star index. Let me put it current index. Okay, we are getting a correct answer. Let me submit it and see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, yes, it is working fine. So I hope guys I am able to explain you. This is little tricky problem, but once you understand this logic, now only the only part is why we are doing this. If we are able to understand this part and this part, okay, what is this star thing and this thing, the problem becomes really easy. And just focus on this formula, you will be able to solve this problem. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and if you are watching till here, please make sure you subscribe the channel, because these things, these examples and all takes a lot of efforts, and I hope you understand it. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and we'll meet in the next one. Thank you.